Welcome everyone. Today we will study one of the most popular and most cherished yoga in Vedic astrology, Raj Yoga. Word Raj stands for royalty. Raj Yoga refers to such combinations and connections between planets in a birth chart that promise authority, fame, respect, power, position in personal, social and professional life. Person enjoys honor and comforts much like a king. As mentioned by Maharishi Parashar, Raj Yoga is formed primarily due to a relationship between lords of Kendra houses, first house, fourth house, seventh house, 10th house, and lords of Trikona houses, first house, fifth house, ninth house. That is, if first lord or fourth lord or seventh lord or 10th lord has relation with first lord or fifth lord or ninth lord, it will be a Raj Yoga. You can see first house or Lagna is common in both these sets. Therefore, in a birth chart, Raj Yoga is formed if there is a relation between first lord and fourth lord, or first lord and seventh lord, or first lord and 10th lord, or first lord and fifth lord, or first lord and ninth lord. Or if fourth lord has relation with fifth lord or ninth lord, or if seventh lord has relation with fifth lord or ninth lord, or if 10th lord has relation with fifth lord or ninth lord. This relationship can happen in any house of the birth chart out of the 12 houses. What type of relationship will form Raj Yoga? Relationship can be in the form of conjunction, exchange, aspect or placement. In ancient times, Raj Yoga indicated the person would be head of his or her community or area. Person had a very comfortable royal life, like a king. In present times, if Raj Yoga is formed in a birth chart, it can bring power, high position and authority, growth, respect in personal, social and professional life. A strong Raj Yoga in a birth chart enables the person to obtain significant results with little efforts and elevates the native to a life of power, prosperity, comforts, recognition, respect in society, much like a king. Raj Yoga formed by conjunction. If Lord of a Kendra house is conjunct with Lord of a Trikona house in any house of your birth chart, it forms a Raj Yoga, creating potential for rise in status, power, influence, prosperity, etc. For example, consider a birth chart with Lagna Scorpio. You can take any example with any Lagna. Explanation will remain same for each Lagna. So right now, 8 is mentioned in first house. 8 stands for Scorpio and Lord of Scorpio is Mars. So for Lord of first house, Mars. Kendra houses are first house ruled by Mars, fourth house ruled by Saturn, 7th house ruled by Venus, 10th house ruled by Sun. Triangle houses, first house ruled by Mars, 5th house ruled by Jupiter, 9th house ruled by Moon. Now if in this birth chart, first Lord Mars and 10th Lord Sun are together in any house of this birth chart, it will be a Raj Yoga. Suppose Sun and Mars are together in 4th house. They are conjunct in 4th house. So it is a Raj Yoga. Relation between first Lord and fourth Lord. Or if Sun and Mars are placed together in 5th house, it is also a Raj Yoga. Or if Sun and Mars are placed together in 11th house of the birth chart, it is also a very good Raj Yoga. So if a Kendra Lord and a Triangle Lord are together in any house of this birth chart, it will be a Raj Yoga. Pay attention. If Sun and Saturn are together, Sun is the Lord of 10th house, Saturn is the Lord of 4th house. If they are together in any house of this birth chart, it will not be a Raj Yoga because both Sun and Saturn are the lords of only Kendra houses. None of them is a Triangle Lord. So relationship should be between Kendra Lord and Triangle Lord. Only then it will be a Raj Yoga. If 5th Lord Jupiter and 7th Lord Venus are together in any house, suppose Jupiter and Venus are together in 2nd house, It is a Raj Yoga. If Jupiter and Venus are together in first house, it is also a Raj Yoga. Jupiter and Venus are together in 8th house of the birth chart, it will be a Raj Yoga. Relation between Kendra Lord and Triangle Lord. So now you understand how the Raj Yoga is formed by conjunction. Exchange. If any Kendra Lord exchanges places with Triangle Lord, it will be a Raj Yoga, a very favorable Raj Yoga. If first Lord Mars is in 10th house and 10th Lord Sun is in first house, so exchange between first Lord and 10th Lord, it is a powerful Raj Yoga. It will give immense popularity, success, professional growth to the native. First Lord Mars is placed in 9th house and 9th Lord Moon is placed in first house. Again a powerful Raj Yoga. If 4th Lord Saturn is in 9th house and 9th Lord Moon is in 4th house, also a powerful Raj Yoga. This person will lead very comfortable life, full of all amenities and luxuries, and he will gain recognition, fame, success and authority, everything. If 9th Lord Moon is in 10th house and 10th Lord Sun is in 9th house, this is also a highly powerful Raj Yoga, the most impactful Raj Yoga. This is known as Dharam Karmadhipati Raj Yoga or Dharam Karmadhipati Yoga. Note, 10th Lord is in 9th house, indicating such a person will follow the ethical and right path in life. These people can also work to uplift dharma and fortune is always by their side. 9th Lord is placed in 10th house, indicating karma or profession has the support of fortune. Such a person will surely get success and growth in career. His or her efforts will bring positive results. This is a very strong, highly impactful yoga in Vedic astrology, and such a person achieves success, prosperity, recognition, growth, and very high status in professional life. Such a person is destined to achieve professional growth, prosperity, wealth, fame, recognition in society and professional life. Aspect. If any Kendra Lord and Triangle Lord aspect each other, it will be a strong Raj Yoga. For example, if first Lord Mars is in 2nd house and 5th Lord Jupiter is in 8th house, both will aspect each other. So it is a Raj Yoga for this birth chart. If 9th Lord is placed in 4th house and 7th Lord is placed in 10th house, they will aspect each other, forming a strong Raj Yoga. Placement. If any Kendra Lord is placed in a trine house, that is, if 1st Lord, 4th Lord, 7th Lord or 10th Lord is placed in trine houses, in 1st house or 5th house or 9th house, it will be a Raj Yoga. Reverse is also true. That is, if 1st Lord or 5th Lord or 9th Lord is placed in any Kendra house, it is also a strong Raj Yoga. For example, if 4th Lord Saturn is in 9th house, it is a Raj Yoga. If 5th Lord Jupiter is in 10th house, it is also a strong Raj Yoga. Person is bound to grow professionally and will command high respect, professional success, growth and position. If 1st Lord Mars is in 4th house, a strong Raj Yoga. If any Kendra Lord or Triangle Lord is strongly placed, that is in Swarashi, Multrikon or exalted in Kendra house or in Triangle house, it is a strong Raj Yoga. For example, 5th Lord Jupiter is in 5th house, that is in Swarashi in the birth chart. It forms a strong Raj Yoga. If 4th Lord Saturn is in 4th house of the birth chart, it is also a strong Raj Yoga. If any Kendra Lord aspects a Triangle house or any Triangle Lord aspects a Kendra house, it is a Raj Yoga. For example, if Sun, Lord of 10th house, is in 11th house, so it will aspect 5th house from 11th house. So this is a Raj Yoga. But note down, Raj Yoga formed by mutual aspect, when both lords aspect each other, is stronger than the Raj Yoga formed by single aspect. We have studied about Yog Karak planets in a birth chart. A single planet ruling a Kendra house and a Trikona house at the same time single-handedly has power to give results like a Raj Yoga. And if this Yoga-karak planet is strongly placed in Kendra house or Trikona house in the birth chart, it forms a very powerful Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga in a birth chart does not always mean that person will be a king or will rule some state, etc. A strong Raj Yoga indicates person can hold high position in government or in any private organization. Person will be a famous, respectable figure and will enjoy all types of comforts in life. Note down, Raj Yoga formed in Kendra houses or triangle houses is considered highly beneficial, has capability to give very promising results to the person in the Mahadasha and Antardasha of the planets involved in forming the Raj Yoga. There are a number of Raj Yogas mentioned in ancient astrology texts. It is not possible to cover all these in one session. So in this session, I have explained the Raj Yoga which are most important and most popular. Rest we will cover in another session. Presence of Raj Yoga in a birth chart indicates promise of growth, power, success and recognition. But actual effectiveness of Raj Yoga depends on the strength of planets involved in forming the Raj Yoga and timing of Raj Yoga. If Mahadasha or Antardasha of the planets forming a strong Raj Yoga becomes active in early age, when native is a minor, or in old age, it will not be very beneficial. So Dasha of planets is also important to get favorable and beneficial results related to Raj Yoga. You should study your own birth chart and birth charts of your family and friends and try to read and analyze them. Also check presence of different yogas like Buddhaditya Yoga, Dhan Yoga, Raj Yoga, etc. in those birth charts. Keep practicing. Take one example. This is the birth chart of Mahatma Gandhi. In this birth chart, find out the Raj Yogas formed between the lords of Kendra houses and Trikona houses. In first house is mentioned number 7. So Lagna is Libra, Lagan Lord Venus, 4th Lord Saturn, 7th Lord Mars, 10th Lord Moon, 5th Lord Saturn, 9th Lord Mercury. Note down, Saturn rules a Kendra house and a Trikona house, 4th house and 5th house. Therefore, Saturn is Yoga-karak planet for this birth chart. Now find out the relationship between Kendra lords and Trikona lords. Venus, the Lagan lord or first lord, is in Swarashi in first house. One Raj Yoga. Next, Venus first lord is conjunct with Mercury, 9th lord. Another Raj Yoga. Venus first lord is conjunct with Mars, 7th lord. So relationship between first lord and 7th lord. Another Raj Yoga. Mars 7th lord is conjunct with Mercury 9th lord. Another Raj Yoga. In this birth chart, Saturn itself is Yoga-karak planet and it is aspecting 4th house from 2nd house, forming another yoga. So 5 Raj Yogas are formed in this birth chart by relationship between Kendra lords and Trikona lords. So presence of Raj Yogas in this birth chart confirms the leadership, authority, recognition and fame achieved by Mahatma Gandhi. He was the undisputed leader of masses. Subscribe the channel for informative, well-explained sessions in Vedic astrology. And please don't forget to hit the like button. The results a planet can deliver in a particular house of a horoscope depend not only on its position in the horoscope but also on number of other factors like its placement, conjunction with other planets, aspects of other planets, house lord positions, etc. And all these need to be studied collectively to draw inferences. First step is to master all fundamental rules. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic astrology classes session 129.